Well, guys, I survived my encounter with the microwave. Note to self. Don't fuck with interlock on these things. We got a party bulb, LED disco, piece of fucking shit. It looks nice out here, but I don't like it. Cheap, £1 off Wish.com.
See what it does.
See how long it lasts. I think you turn the microwave.
See how long it lasts.
Oh, excuse me. Oh yes. Oh, beautiful.
I think it's done its pants.
I think it's going to catch fire. Ooh. I don't think I can use that anymore. Ooh. Ooh.
Plasma.
Oh no, we haven't fire. Oh, cap's gone. Oh, another cap.
Okay, now.
Something's really cooking in that.
We have a fucking fire.
Oh, that's some of that shit smoke coming out of that now. Oh man, I think the LEDs are actually on. That's pretty bright. I think that is actually the LEDs. That little motor's only going round and I can see it probably going round. Oh! Nice little light show there. I think it might have just melted into a ball of malt plastic and shit. Oh, oh.
It's like a squidgy fart. that sounds bad. Yeah.
Oh. Really cooking in there. It sounds disgusting. It does actually sound like someone's taking a dump. Someone's got back diarrhea. I know one thing there. The shield on the front of that microwave's getting a bit fucked now. Look at the heat damage on it.
I'm not surprised.
It's had a lot of use over the past week. Past 2 weeks now. I think we should have a look. Turn it off first. Right, it just smells like a barbecue, man. Oh,
It's always good to turn it
nice,
off
that.
before you put your hand in there.
Oh! I think that needs a bit more.
Well, the light's
Is there
gone in the
anything-
microwave, isn't it? But that helps, like the.
Yeah, I can assess the situation. Yeah.
I'd say it's fine.
Yeah, I think that's pretty much gone.
Daddy.
Daddy didn't love it. Oh, that rum really don't want to go out.
Daddy.
Blimey, Daddy. That's disgusting. Oh, hang on, Macy's water from
Oh,
the
that'll do
painting.
it.
That'll do it.
That'll sort it.
But this is a lot of paint in here, so it could go wrong.
It's the paint.
Oh! I've thrown water on. I've thrown water on plastic fires and oil fires and shit, and it's like throwing a cup of water on a chip pan fire, and it just sends flames absolutely everywhere. So, guys, I don't recommend doing that. That's not on. Thank God. My hand's right in. Cook. It is hot in there, man. Shit. See that, guys? Be safe. Don't fucking microwave.